WCX is designed to give attendees critical insights on the latest technology and regulations for powertrain, propulsion, emission, safety and electronics to maintain a competitive advantage. Jim Forlenza, SAE's Group Director of Engineering Events, Warrendale, PAR. PRWEB, January 19, 2018. SAE International's WCX World Congress Experience, the three-day event that unites the best talent in the worldwide mobility industry, is pleased to announce that automotive industry veterans Bob Lutz, former Vice Chairman at General Motors, and Kenneth "Ken" Kelzer, General Motors Vice President, Global Vehicle Components and Subsystems, will lend their insights and expertise as keynote speakers at the April 10–12, 2018 event. The 2018 WCX will stage in Detroit, the heart of the Motor City, the perfect backdrop to host this group of industry professionals. WCX is designed to give attendees critical insights on the latest technology and regulations for powertrain, propulsion, emission, safety and electronics to maintain a competitive advantage, said Jim Forlenza, SAE's Group Director of Engineering Events. With Bob and Ken joining as keynote speakers, the need to attend has been elevated. This is a unique and coveted opportunity to hear these two industry leaders who are eager to share their history and experience, and will provide their predictions and guidance as we enter a new era of automotive manufacturing. The full spectrum of mobility professionals will converge at WCX for expert insight, revolutionary inspiration and technological innovation that keynote speakers Lutz and Kelzer will share. They are thought leaders with their finger on the pulse of market trends and directions. Their leadership will provide insight into the future of mobility that will lend to future innovations within the event attendees' organizations. Bob Lutz has enjoyed a robust 50-year tenure in the automotive industry, leaving an indelible mark on all three of the big U.S. automakers. Most recently, Lutz retired as vice chairman at GM, where he was noted for reinvigorating its vehicle lineup, leading the renaissance of fresh, bold designs and performance engineering in U.S. cars. Lutz is the author of the New York Times bestseller, Car Guys vs. Bean Counters. Car Guys was chosen for the Financial Times, Goldman Sachs Best Business Book of 2011 long list. His latest book is Icons and Idiots: Straight Talk on Leadership as a Management Manifesto, chronicling colleagues that made the strongest impression on him throughout his career. Additionally, Lutz is a contributing writer to Forbes and Road. Ken Kelzer, currently GM Vice President, GM Global Vehicle Components and Subsystems, leads engineering operations, components development, advanced vehicle development, and other engineering business initiatives. Most recently, Kelzer was Vice President GM Europe Powertrain Engineering, where he oversaw European powertrain operations. Kelzer began his GM career as a student intern from 1982 to 1984, and was hired on as a college graduate in training in 1985, and was quickly promoted to project engineer a year later. After rotating through several engineering positions of increasing responsibility at Chevrolet and Pontiac, and midsize and luxury vehicles, he was promoted to Director, Chassis, HVAC, Electrical and Operations at the Canadian Regional Engineering Centre in Oshawa, Ontario in August 2002. Upon returning to Michigan 2 years later, he was named Director of Vehicle Performance at the Milford Proving Grounds. Kelzer is GM's key executive for the University of Puerto Rico, Mayagüez, and represents GM on the board of PATAC, Pan Asia Technical Automotive Center, and also is a board member of the Michigan Science Center. Video from last year's event will provide an overview of what to expect in 2018. WCX18.org/video-gallery/ For more information and to register, visit http://www.sae.org/WCX. Journalists and members of the media can request credentials by emailing pr@sae.org or calling 724-772-8522. About SAE International. SAE International is a global association committed to being the ultimate knowledge source for the engineering profession. By uniting over 127,000 engineers and technical experts, we drive knowledge and expertise across a broad spectrum of industries. We act on two priorities: encouraging a lifetime of learning for mobility engineering professionals and setting the standards for industry engineering. We strive for a better world through the work of our philanthropic SAE Foundation, including programs like A World in Motion and the Collegiate Design Series. For more information, http://www.sae.org/